Good day, everybody. It's Jay from BSK Garage. In today's video, we're getting down to finishing the Ford 8.8 axle swap in my 2003 Jeep TJ. But as you just seen in the clip, what I'm going to talk about today is something that I do with every differential that I work on and I take apart, is I spend the money and I buy a lube blocker for it. And the reason for that is that I'm not messing around with silicone. There's nothing wrong with using silicone. I mean, it's way cheaper than buying the gasket. But if you know you're going to be in and out of the differential a few times, it's worth to spend the money to buy a reusable gasket. And this is the lube blocker right here. And I've used them on every differential that I've taken apart. My Dana 35 has one. My Dana 30 in the front has one. And my Jeep JK outside has lube blockers in both axles. They're well worth the money. I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. See right there, gasket installs dry, no sealant required, will not split or extrude during installation. Full perimeter elastomeric beading, metal base material coated with rubber, superior torque retention. Lube blockers, you can see right there, made in the USA, Ford 8.8 axle. There it is again, if you want to see it. So let's go get this thing installed, and that's one thing that we could check off the list. So you see in the bottom of the differential, you got those notches there, and that's how you make sure you align the lube blocker, is make sure that those are on the bottom. I am just gonna go over this just to gently clean it up. This is where the fun is going to begin. As you can see, I got it. I want to try to get this first one started. Let that hang. Going underneath, I want to point out, here's a perfect example of silicone. You put it on, compresses, it squeezes out, creates the seal, but it also creates a mess like this. This could get into where your bearings are, your gears, cause all sorts of havoc. Whereas where I used the lube blocker with this customized cover, I don't have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about getting contaminants in there. If I need to pull the cover off for whatever reason, if I'm out 4x4 and doing service, I can pull the cover off, reattachment. Don't have to worry about trying to clean the surfaces off, reapply everything, and then put it back on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.